Hey everybody, welcome to the show. We've got Ross here today, willing to lend his face to science in order to try out an egg white peel, which I had heard of but never actually seen in action. And we're going to take a look at the before and after under the microscope. This particular one we got from Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description if you want to try it. The ratings were pretty high. One complaint I saw was that the instructions are not in English, although the ingredients are. But it took all of 10 seconds to find it on Google. Basically, you squeeze some out, spread it around, but not too thin, and let it dry. Ross described the smell as somewhat girly with a hint of chemical. It takes about 20 minutes to dry, and then you can peel it off. Here we go. The idea is that it will help clean out your pores, so let's see if it did. Here's the peel under the microscope, and here's a before and after. Yeah, you can see that it kind of did clean out the pores a little bit. Interesting. We didn't think it would work that well. So like I said, check out the description if you want to try it, and let us know what you think if you did. Or just leave us a comment describing your experience with facial peels. So thank you, Ross, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Adios.